Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game updated, account active, and Zen package available. Begin the process by installing Zen through the console's approved installer. This avoids integrity issues. Once the install finishes, enable developer options to allow custom modules and grant file permissions so Zen can write configs. You should see a confirmation prompt. Accept it. If any step fails, do not retry wildly. Check storage space and firmware version before moving forward, because those are common blockers. You now configure Zen for how you play. Open the Zen settings and pick a profile: performance for responsiveness or comfort for stability. Next, map controls and assign hotkeys so essential functions are one press away. Make small sensitivity changes and test in a private server. Once done, enable integrations such as HUD mods or quality-of-life tweaks, but activate one mod at a time to pinpoint issues. Make sure to save each change and restart the game to apply kernel-level tweaks. You finish by running a full playtest. Monitor FPS, input lag, and any visual anomalies. If everything behaves, back up your Zen configuration to external storage so you can restore quickly. If a crash or instability happens, disable the last enabled mod and retest. Once isolated, consult the Zen log files for errors and revert or update the offending component. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cached shaders and confirm your console firmware matches the Zen version requirements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.